again. Yes, previously we learned sound sh. Yes, previously we learned sound sh. But now do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn sound. Wow. Yes, just get ready for the lesson. Sit down, settle. Yes, today we are going to learn sound. Yes, today we are going to learn this sound. Sound. Wow. But now I'm going to first tell you a story about that sound. I'm going to tell you a story about this sound. Once upon a time, yes, one day the crowds at the circus. The crowds at the circus. People, do you like circus? Yes, the crowds at the circus were very funny. They ran. They ran around and tickle. They ran around and tickle each other. You know how to tickle? And you know some people you don't want to tickle you. You people you don't want to tickle you. So these crowds at the circus were very funny. They ran around and tickled each other with feathers. Do you know how feathers? Do you know feather? Yes, for them they use the feather to tickle. One naughty crowd was rude. Was rude. Yes, he sticks his tongue out. He sticks his tongue out a little and says. So you can also put your tongue out little, just a little, like, and then you say. So today we are going to learn sound. Wow, today we are going to learn that sound. But now before, we are going to first sing this song together. Wow.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the? Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the? Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
Hey! Now today we are going to learn this sound. So someone can tell me the words of this sound. Someone can tell me the words of this sound. Sound is T and H. T and H. T and ha. T and ha. T and ha. So sound, it's a double sound. Just put your tongue out a little, just a little. Wow, someone can tell me the words of this sound. Oh, I know you are very bright. Yes, sound. Yes, this is the word van. Sound. Van. Sound. Van. The word is van. The word is van. Yes. We have another word. We have another word, and this is sound A. Yeah. So the word is they. The word is they. The word is they. Wow. We have another word. Just put your tongue out little. The word is them. The word is them. The word is them. Wow. We have another word. Yes. We have another word. The word is them. The word is them. The word is them. Remember, this is the word them. This is the word them, and this is the word them. This is the word them. The word them, it is them. It has here. And then it has them. And this is them. has N, the last, and here it has them. Bit different. Then we have another word. Another word. They. There. This is the word. There. This is the word. There. So this one you don't read it because it sounds. So you just read there. Wow. We have another one. They. Wow. These are some of the words with sound. We have them. We have then. We have they. We have there. We have what? There and the last word is what? And then. We have then. Yes. So this one, it is just a silent one. There. Than. Wow. So now, this time, we are going to mark these words. After matching them, we write them again. So now we are going to match and write the same words. But before matching, you are going to first read. You are going to first read. You read the word is they. So you match the word there to another word there, and then after matching, you write the word they. Yes, this is the work you are going to do. Yes, this is the assignment you are going to do. You read the word, for example, then you look for another word there, you match, and after you write. You match, and after you do what? You write. Yes. You read another one. They. You look for another word there, you match, and then after you write. Very good. Thank you so much for listening to me. You can find more assignments on the links below, and next time we are going to learn sound. So this one, the tongue is supposed to be out, little like. But now this one, we are going to learn next time that you are supposed to put your tongue out like. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. This is the work we are going to do. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Wow.